This production tip is brought to you by TC Media.
Hi, I'm Bob, and I want to give you the support you need to have a successful production. One of the things that supports your camera is a tripod, and I want to talk about two important features of that tripod. One is the tilt lock right here, and the other is the pan lock right here. Right now this tripod is fully locked so that your camera will not move. But just like the lock on a door, you want to unlock completely the locks, and then your camera will move. It'll tilt up and down, it'll pan left and right. The resistance is set with two different knobs, the pan drag or the tilt drag over here. But the thing you need to remember before you walk away, lock before you walk.
This production tip is brought to you by TC Media, where our community brings local media to life for Thurston County since 1984. Visit tcmedia.org for orientation and class schedules, video on demand, and information on how we can help you become a media producer.